Hey, thanks for tuning in to Hot Off the Wheels. Jesse here with another diecast video. In this episode today, we're going to open up the K case for 2020, and this is the Hot Wheels L case. We're going to open up the K case today, the L case in a future video, so definitely make sure you're subscribed to the notification bell. And without further delay, let's go ahead and get right into the 2020 Hot Wheels K case. All right. I'm super excited to bring you guys the Hot Wheels 2020 K and L case, but today, like I said, we're just going to go through the K case here, and we'll do an L case on an upcoming video. Well, let's go ahead and crack open this seal. Hopefully maybe we'll get a super or maybe a treasure hunt, but it's never guaranteed in any case, so but let's go ahead and see what we've got here today. So about right here, you're going to start to notice I sped up the video clip, the speed of the video. I didn't really feel like you needed me to tell you what the cars were. You know, they more or less do that on their own. So hopefully you still got a good shot of each of the cars. Let me know if you didn't. I can post up a picture on the Facebook group for Hot Off the Wheels, or I can throw them on the turntable in an upcoming video if it's something you wanted to see up close. But enjoy the rest of the video, the unboxing of the 2020 Hot Wheels K case. The L case will be coming up in a video here shortly, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support for the 500 plus subscribers. Thank you to each and every one of you. I do appreciate your support. Wish you all the best on your own diecast, pet hunts, and collection. And until next time, guys, take care.